We are getting started. The heat is still low, but it's working. Just gonna flip a few times, and then you have chapati. Put a little oil. I don't made chapatis this style in a while. Tap 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 tap. Flip, tap tap tap. My fire is going loud. I'll put my chapati in here, put paper towel, and then voila. One down, many to go. Okay. Let it heat up, and then I'll roll a dice. I have flour. Ta-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. We usually roll. Usually use both hands, but I wanted to show you. You have to watch this one. I'll put a little oil, and then I'll turn it around. It's called multitasking. It's nothing without the smoke, I know. Usually just turn it up a little because I want the oil on both sides. And when I do that, I go back in. Now it looks dry. I'll spread oil. Palam, palam, palam. Sometimes I put my vent on, because you know what? Smoke is not fun. And then ta-da! Okay, so I put it in here. Just like this. And then keep it rolling. Okay, gonna roll. We roll the other chapati. Dun. Roll. It's supposed to be circular, but whatever shape we get, we're good. It looks like somebody's head, this one. That's a good size. Bring back my pan and then make the magic happen. And turn it up. Okay, we got it on. It's on fire. And on fire we shall turn it. Put it in here. Usually we turn them around just to keep them moist and not dry. Okay, cover them in that bag. Chapati. This is the epitome of hungry to satisfied. You only need one to be full. Voila. I know. I feel like a left now. Let's blow it up. Not hilarious at all. I took all of them out, so we don't have any more here. Put oil. Turn it up. Turn it up, turn it up. Now this is best eaten with eggs, but today I made peas, so we're gonna eat some with peas. Put a little oil on top and then flip for effective results. You're gonna oil it up somehow. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. I flipped it a few times because it looks not ready. You keep working it until it's ready, okay? Okay. You are in the Master Chef class by Sue, the chef. And then we'll put our last chapati in here. Voila. Okay, this is what I made. I made a few, just for a few of us. And a few, they look okay. They look delicious. They look ready to be eaten. I'll flip them, but they are hot. My friend, these are hot. Okie dokie. This is how I'm having my chapati with peas. Looks good. We're gonna be eating. Bon appetit.